guys, kembali lagi di channel SparePart Handphone. Oke, jadi di video kali ini aku akan sedikit review Temperedglass Fashion untuk iPhone. Dan Temperedglass ini benar-benar unik ya guys ya. Pokoknya buat kalian yang penasaran Temperedglass apa ini, kalian tonton video ini sampai selesai dan jangan lupa di like, komen, dan subscribe. Oke guys, kita langsung saja review Temperedglass ini. Jadi Temperedglass ini bisa disebut dengan Temperedglass Fashion guys ya. Bahannya itu sama, ini dari gelas. Dan ini untuk handphone iPhone 6 Plus ya guys ya. Oke, jadi Temperedglass ini Temperedglass Fashion. Yang disebut fashionnya itu di sini seperti ada gambar. Dan ini untuk belakangnya guys ya. Ini Temperedglass backdoornya. Oke, jadi yang paling menonjol, yang unik di Temperedglass ini yaitu ada gambarnya, dan gambar ini akan terlihat jelas ketika handphone kalian mati ya guys ya, kalau sudah dipasang di handphonenya. Dan Temperedglassnya ini sangat bagus. Dan Temperedglass ini sangat kuat ya guys ya. Oke, kita langsung saja cara pemakaian saja ya guys ya.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me.